This was such an impromptu video. I was just filming another video. I thought ये भी बना देते हैं जल्दी से. Welcome back to my channel. I am Anushka and this is a unique video. I'm not sharing the usual book recommendation in this video, but I'm sharing something more important, something more informative I feel like you should be aware of if you aren't as of now. And it is two biggest sales in the market. If you're a book lover and if you are not aware yet, then this is the right time for you to shop your favorite books. Amazon's Great Indian Festival and Flipkart's Big Billion Day sale will go live from 3rd of October. Nothing is sponsored here. I mean, why would they sponsor me, such big companies? But I'm just informing you all because I know as a person who shops for books a lot, I actually wait for these sales. Unlike the last 2 years, before, few years back, these sales were the ones we used to wait for. We used to have discounts up to 70 or 80%. Hardcover books I actually bought for 50 or 60 rupees. And it was huge discount. So I'm just hoping probably we'll get somewhere, books on this discount. If not, last year as well, I shopped Six of Crows duology, 2 books for somewhere around 350 or 380, imagine, just on this sale, Great Indian Festival. So if you want to grab the best deals, this is the time for you to get active. And the first thing to get active is I've already made a video on how to shop books online. You can check that video out. It is relevant. I think you should watch that video clearly. But in short, first thing that you have to do right now is to make a wish list if you haven't already. Wish lists are the best during sale. The books in your wish list, automatically you get aware about the discounts and you can quickly add them to your cart and just exit before anybody else buys those books. You are aware of all the discounts of your favorite books which you want to buy. Unlike, usual people who go and search for the book and then they find out one by one that this book is on discount or not. So you are actually updating yourself beforehand and you're making a list of the books which you want to buy. So the first thing is to make a wish list. The second thing is, while you're shopping, this is a tip that I would recommend to you guys, is to go through all the filters, just use all those filters, discounts, categories, the various categories, the books under 100 rupees, books under 200 rupees, and I'm sure you'll find some great deals. That's how I search books. You actually also get introduced to new books as well. You've already made a wish list, so you have particular books in your mind, but sometimes there are some phenomenal books which are at great discounts which you don't have in your wish list. Obviously you can't add all the books in your wish list, so it's great to use filters. Use books under 50% discount, 60% discount. Use all those filters and browse through all those books, surf through all those books. The third tip from my side to you would be, of course, just get an early access. If you're a Prime member, it's great. If you're not, it's all right. Sometimes the discounts are available all through those days. So I actually bought this bundle set on the second day of the sale. The first day I was so disappointed there weren't any great discounts, but the second day I bought this bundle, and so it's okay. Discounts are available throughout these days, so it's not that if you missed on the first day you won't get the discounts on the second day, but it's better to be early. Otherwise, some books obviously get out of stock. My fourth tip is the most important: to follow bookstagrammers, booktubers, book pages, book deal pages, which obviously, update about the latest sales. Sometimes, we form this community, we have this book community, we want to share the best that's out there. Sometimes people, just share that this is a book that's on discount and they share it with everybody else so that everybody benefits from this, this deal. So as soon as you can, join these Facebook groups or maybe follow booktubers, book Instagrammers. They will definitely be sharing. I, of course, will be sharing some stories, and I will be updating my group as well on Telegram and on Facebook as well regarding these deals, and some stories on my Instagram as well. So don't forget to follow me there. And yeah, that's it. Those are the few tips. For more tips, you know, how I shop online, again, I would recommend you guys to watch this video. But for now, all the best. I am still anticipating this sale. I'm like a bit nervous, fidgety about this sale. I just hope there are good discounts this time around, because books पे कोई ध्यान ही नहीं देता यार, discounts होते ही नहीं है. पता नहीं कभी होते थे 2 साल पहले, अभी तो नहीं है last 2 years से. But जो भी है, जितना भी मिलता है, let's see, let's hope, let's just hope for the best discounts this time around. And yeah, that's it with this video. I hope, just also, if you are someone who's looking to buy Kindle, then I'm assuring you this is the right time to buy Kindle. Kindle will be on discounts for, I think, 10 or 15% तो पक्का होगा, और this is the right time to buy Kindle during these sales for sure. And yeah, that's it with this video. I'll see you later with another video. Until then, bye bye. This was such an impromptu video. I was just filming another video. I thought ये भी बना देते हैं जल्दी से. So yeah, I'll see you later with another video. Until then, bye bye.